All right, news just coming in to get you up to speed with the Rajasthan politics right now. Sachin Pilot has reached Ashok Gehlot's residence. Ashok Gehlot had invited Pilot and his supporting MLAs for the CLP meet, which is about to begin a short while from now. Sachin Pilot, before going in to Ashok Gehlot's residence where the CLP meet is to be conducted, had in fact had a quick meeting with his core group, which is the 19 MLAs that were with him in Manesar. All right, I want to connect right now to my colleague Dev Ankur Vadhavan, who's going to get us up to speed with the very latest. Dev, what is expected? Clearly, this is the first time when Sachin Pilot will face off with Ashok Gehlot after what has been a highly acrimonious 31 days.
Oh, well, absolutely. It has been a long fight between the Pilot camp and Ashok Gehlot camp. What currently is happening, Preeti, is that Sachin Pilot, the former Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, is inside the Chief Minister's residence. I would want the camera person to pan and show you the kind of arrangements that have been made. The MLAs are currently moving inside the Chief Minister's residence. In fact, Pilot was called by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot personally to arrive at his residence half an hour in advance so that he can hold some deliberations before the Congress Legislature's party meet gets underway. And right now, Gehlot and Pilot are in confabulation. They will be, talking about the bitterness that was there over the last month or so. And now, after the truce was reached, what kind of equation, a working equation at least the two of them could have? Because remember, there were several bitter remarks that were made by Gehlot, calling him Nakara, Nikamma, good for nothing, accusing him of conniving with the BJP, of trying to topple the Ashok Gehlot government. So after all of that, it will be difficult for the two of them to work together. But what kind of arrangements are arrived at? Because there has been, some kind of a softening of stance from both sides. The suspension of the MLAs from the Pilot camp has been withdrawn. Vishwendra Singh, Bhawarlal Sharma, who were earlier suspended from the Congress, their suspensions have been revoked. There could be an attempt to bring them back into the party, not just the party fold, but also in the government. Because remember, Vishwendra Singh was a senior cabinet minister of Rajasthan government. There is Ramesh Chand Meena, who is also from the Pilot camp. He was also holding the food and civil supplies portfolio. So will all of these be accommodated once again within the government? What kind of promises were made to Sachin Pilot? Because KC Venugopal has arrived in Jaipur last night, and he will also be present. And there will be an attempt to ensure that the acrimony and the bitterness that was prevailing over the last month or so is something which becomes a thing of the past, because Gehlot has already mentioned that we need to forgive, we need to forget, and we need to move on, because there is more than 3 years of tenure that is left in Rajasthan, and Ashok Gehlot would now want all of this bitterness to become a thing of the past. Preeti?
Dave, one quick question before I let you go. There was a lot of resistance from Ashok Gehlot's camp, especially his MLAs, that Gehlot camp MLAs be accommodated, especially in the government. Has that resentment now been subdued, or is it the same?
Well, the resentment is still there. I spoke with Vishwendra Singh, the former cabinet minister, and he mentioned that the main grouse that the MLAs from the Pilot camp had was that even the ministers, they were not given important portfolios. Their work was something which was considered insignificant, that senior IAS officers would just not listen to these ministers or these MLAs, and there was a sense of discrimination, a sense of, being unjustifiably treated by Ashok Gehlot and members who were close to him. Senior ministers close to Ashok Gehlot were accused by members of the Pilot camp of not treating them well. So all of those grievances remain. The Congress has formed a 3-member committee which includes Priyanka Gandhi, Ahmed Patel and KC Venugopal. So all of those grievances will be discussed. But for the time being, Ashok Gehlot has conveyed that the important part is to ensure that the assembly session, which will begin from August 14, which is tomorrow, happens smoothly, because the BJP will definitely be bringing a no confidence motion tomorrow, and the Congress would want to ensure that a message goes out that now there is cohesion, now there is unity, and the party is not any longer a divided lot. So at this point in time, at least, the Gehlot camp and the Pilot camp perhaps will try to, after a lot of bitterness, after a lot of acrimony, after a lot of name calling, try to put up a united front.
All right, appreciate you joining us. Dave, we're going to keep coming back to you. Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.